Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Steady Johnson, and in this short, quick video, I'm going to explain the after repair value, or the ARV, what it means. And basically, I mean, it's written out. ARV means after repair value or retail price of a specific property. Okay, this is the wholesale formula that you want to use to figure out your offer price. Okay, in order to find out your ARV. Now, if you don't have access to the MLS or know of a realtor that can give you access or even look up this information, what you can do to quickly get a ballpark figure of the retail price of a property is you can go to three different websites. You can go to Zillow.com, Trulia.com, and Redfin.com. So what you want to do is you want to get the retail values on each one of these websites, and then add those up and divide it by 3. And then that's your ballpark retail price for that specific property. So let me show you and pull up a calculator real quick. So what you want to do is, let's say for instance, you have a property and the retail value is $100,000. So what you want to do is, you have the after repair value or retail price, which is $100,000. You want to times that by 70%, 0.7. So now your total is 70,000. Then next you want to minus the repairs. Okay. Let's say for instance the repairs needed to fix this house back up is, let's say it's 10,000. Okay, that brings you down to 60,000. Okay, that equals the selling price. Okay, now the selling price, this number right here is the MAO, the maximum allowable offer. Okay, now you want to be below this number right here in order to have a profit. You want your wholesale fee in here. So say you want your wholesale fee to be 10,000. You minus 10,000. Okay, and then you brings it down to 50,000. This is what your offer price, what you want your offer price to be at. What you want whenever you're talking to a seller, you want them to give you a number first. Okay, you will always want them to give you a number first. Okay. But by doing this formula, you know your numbers and you know where you need to be at. So once they give you a number, you know whether it's a deal or not. Okay. So if they come back and they say, well, the most I can sell this property for is 55,000, you know this is a deal. Okay. You're still within the range of, you're still under the 60,000. Okay. So say if you got the deal under contract for 55,000, you can still potentially make $5,000 on the deal. But every deal we want to, try to make 10,000 or more on every deal. Okay. So this right here is the wholesale formula that we use to figure out our numbers and what our offer price needs to be. If you have any other questions, let me know and we can go from there. See you in the next video.